Hey, I'm Frida with WTI, and I wanted to show you my newly frosted window. This is in my bathroom. It's quite a big window. I really didn't want to lose the light that it was bringing in, so I used to have a curtain hanging up here that was sheer. This just looks so much more put together. Speaking of putting together, it was super easy to put together. The instructions were very easy to follow. You just need a spray bottle, something to smooth it down with. I used a credit card, and I happen to just have a little, scalpel type cutter tool, but even just a utility knife would be great. So I thought the instructions were super easy to read. I just had to get over being a little bit awkward handling a bigger piece. If that's too awkward for you, you could always make a template and cut it out, but I thought it was very easy to follow and line up the edges. We put it on our door too. So I love it because we just need a little bit of extra privacy. We had a curtain hanging here too, and it just didn't look very nice. But it's super easy to just line the two edges up, and then I just use my X-Acto knife to cut it all in. My favorite part though is that it is removable, and you can reuse this. So if I wanted to, I could remove this, I could change up the look of it, or move it to one of the other doors that we have in the house. Super easy to put back on. You just wet it down. And voila. So just adding a little bit more privacy to the area of your house that you want the most privacy. Get this from the VILMA store. Very, very excellent quality. They have a lot of different ones to choose from, but I really am a fan of the frosted glass. And that's my point of view.